Welcome to this week's Ministry of Civil Service Week for the Fijian government. I'm Chowana Gionrabu from the Ministry of Lands and Mineral Resources. I am representing the Environment Committee for the Ministry of Civil Service Week. We are here at Valelevu for the planting of trees, as this is a program that's being organized by the Ministry of Civil Service specifically for this Civil Service Week. Try and plant some trees and contribute back to our environment. And we are enjoying our day, afternoon from 2 to 4. After this, we will go to Nasola ground and as well as the Narera grounds. That is one of the program that's been organized by the government for us to contribute during this week.